number one most important thing about doing this is matching the product with the niche audience. So whatever niche it is that you do, and you can do pretty much any freaking niche. I give you guys over 60 niches inside the course that you can do with this method. But no matter what niche it is, the most important thing you can do is to match the niche audience with a product. If you can match those two, you can make a ton of money. I'm talking somewhere around 5% conversion rates on your audience. So here is one example of the first thing that you can do, which is to just get a lot of views in a niche, which is really easy to do, especially if you're not worried about monetization, you're not worried about AdSense rules, you're not worried about getting demonetized. It's really easy to pump these videos out and do whatever it takes to go viral. So as you can see here, this is a makeup video. It's got over 3 million views on it. And so what you can do, and what this person has missed out on, is you can go somewhere like ClickBank, okay, and find an offer that would match this audience, which is makeup, right? So look at this one, Real Beauty Breakthrough, high converting new female traffic offer. You get $42 per sale, guys. How about this one right here, Super Sexy Skin, press the rewind button on aging. $47 per sale. So obviously, you know, this niche audience is all about makeup and looking good and all of those sort of things. So depending on your technique for getting people to actually click the link and convert, which is something I teach a lot about in this course, is how to make them actually want to go to the link and click it, which there's a lot of ways to do this without even making your own videos. All right, stick with me here because these numbers are gonna blow your mind. So 2,954,429 people watched this video, okay? So inside the course, I show you guys exactly how you want to, what exactly you want to do to make your audience actually know the link is there, want to go click the link, and then want to purchase the product. So there's so many tactics you can do to make people actually want to go click that link. Well, so what we'll say here, and this is a really conservative number if you do this well, we'll say 5% of those 2,900,000 viewers went and clicked the link, okay? So we'll say 5% of this audience went and clicked that link. So 147,000 people went and clicked that link out of those viewers, okay? And so normally a good conversion rate is about 1%. Usually about 1% of your audience will actually go and buy the product once they click the link, okay? So we'll say here, you multiply this by 0.01, okay? So 1,477 people, okay? So that's 5% of the 2,900,000 views clicked the link, and then 1% of that bought the product, okay? Now keep in mind, you get $47.42 for every single one of these sales. So you multiply 1,477 people by $47.42, and you get $70,000 off 2 million people watching a makeup video, who then 5% of that audience clicked that link, 1% of that bought, and you made $70,000. And those numbers are conservative, guys. And so that's just one example. So that's the makeup example. So we could do woodworking. So this video has 19 million views on it, and it's all about woodworking. So everybody that's watching this wants to do woodworking, is interested in woodworking, likes woodworking, right? So you can do the same thing. You can go to ClickBank or JVZoo or any of these things. You can search for woodworking. So we can go in here and type in woodworking, and so you will see, like, look at this one right here, $55. $55. And so these guys are really good at making sales pages too. So if you can get people to actually want to go click the link, which by following the course, you'll be able to do exactly that. These course pages are really good, okay? These sales pages are really good, and they normally sell themselves. So all you have to do is get people to click the link after watching your video, which you already know I know how to make people, you know, get views and go viral. So inside the course, I also teach you how to get a lot of views on YouTube and how to go viral, and then how to convert those people into affiliate sales. So as you can see here, this one's $55.57. So we can do the same sort of numbers here. And so on this one, 19,622,506 viewers, 5% of the audience clicks the link, okay? And then 1% of that buys, so that's 9,800 people who buy this. And then remember, you get $55.57. So $545,000 off of literally getting 19 million people to watch a woodworking, and all you're doing is getting 5% of that audience to go click a woodworking link. 1% of that audience buys it, and you make $500,000. Okay, and again, this video is missing out by not doing this because it's fully allowed by YouTube to do affiliate links as long as you write in front of the affiliate link that this is an affiliate link. That's all you have to do. All right, so the number 2 way to make money on YouTube without ads or without monetization. So as you can see here, Joseph Vincent, he does sports highlights. So this one is Most Savage Sports Highlights. And so he's actually monetized, so he's making ad revenue as well, but pretend that he's not. It doesn't matter. As you can see here, look at this. Meet Roman, a whole new way to treat ED. Talk to a physician online today. He is making a ton of money just by putting this link here. Like, this physician is paying him so much money. It's called a sponsorship. And I actually have a sponsorship, as you guys know, on this channel. You guys have seen the ads. And so sponsorships pay really good money, okay? And so on top of that, he's also got this Amazon affiliate link here, because you can literally target any Amazon product to any niche, okay? Every single niche in the world has affiliate offers from Amazon that you can easily send people to. And keep in mind, they don't have to buy the actual product you send them to. All they have to do is click your link and buy something on Amazon in the next 24 hours. Out of those 20 million views that you get, how many people do you think out of those buy something on Amazon that day? A lot of them, guys. So that's how you can make so much money just doing the Amazon thing. So he's not even sending somebody to a product. He's literally saying, if you like my video, support me by clicking my Amazon link and buying something on Amazon. And he gets the sale no matter what it is, guys. So that's the second way that you can do this. That's not the only thing you can do. You can also go to affiliate networks such as Awin, and you can literally market StubHub tickets, or you can go to another marketplace like ShareASale. And as you can see here, you can literally do affiliate sales for fanatics.com. So you can do NFL, you can also do the NFL shop from this marketplace. You can do the MLB shop, NBA shop. So that's a lot of targeting directly to the niche of sports highlights. And a lot of people don't do this the way that it needs to be done. So many people are leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table every single day by not doing these things. So the third thing you can do is to do product reviews. So you can either find these product reviews. So there's channels that do product reviews where they don't even actually have the product in their hand, and you can tell they've never actually used it, but it still gets hundreds of thousands of views. So for instance, this channel right here, they made top 5 best VR headsets, and you can tell that they don't actually have it. They're literally just taking these clips from somewhere else and they're narrating. You can tell they've never used any of these headsets. They're just finding this stuff from different reviews, putting it together into their own reviews. The reason they're doing it is because they have all the Amazon links right here. So they literally send people there, and then they get the affiliate sale for every single time. And so that's one way to do product reviews, because you don't even have to know anything about the product. You don't even have to have used it. You don't even have to have it in your hand to make video reviews on a certain topic. Or another way to do it is how Think Media does it. So he's really, really good at this, and he's made hundreds of thousands of dollars on affiliate marketing. He's even said it himself. And so what he does is he'll do reviews on like a certain camera. And then, of course, he's got all the affiliate links in the description. So anybody, and I actually, you know, he's gotten affiliate sales from me, because this camera that I'm using right now, I actually searched for it, searched for a review, found his review. And so in that case, those people are already thinking about buying the product. That's why they looked up the review. Then they find the review, and then once they're done, you know, since they appreciate that that person made that video on that review, they're like, okay, well, I'm going to go down and click his link so that he gets the sale because he helped me with my decision. And so it's really easy to get sales that way, because that person's already thinking about buying that product, and so then they go and buy the product because they're already thinking about buying it. So you're getting traffic in that was already considering purchasing, and your review is going to make the difference between whether they buy or not. And so if you make a review and the product looks good, a lot of those people are going to buy that camera. And so he makes reviews on $1,000 products. So every time someone on Amazon buys that, he gets like a lot of money. I mean, he probably makes $50, $100 every single, you know, at least $50 $50 every time someone buys a camera, which is a lot because he's getting millions of views. The fourth thing that you can do is create your own stores. So you can actually have a print-on-demand store up and running in literally about 20 minutes. And I go through all of this stuff inside the course, but that's what this person's doing. They got 3 million views on funny moments, stupid moments, epic fails, and win compilations, okay? So if you go down here, what you'll see is that they make, and they're advertising as well, their own shirts. And so they get like, they get to price these shirts at whatever they want, and you don't even buy inventory. It's print on demand, so, you don't even pay for the product until someone actually bought it. So you make nothing but profit every single time someone buys a shirt. And it's literally as simple as making a little design in Canva, putting it on a shirt, and then putting up a store really quickly. Really easy to do that.